Hi there, and thanks for checking out our channel. If you want to learn how to enable or disable push notifications on your Wix app, here's how you can do it. On the Wix mobile app, go to Inbox at the bottom. Tap the three-dot button here and select Inbox Settings. Go to Notification Settings. And here, you can either enable or disable push notifications by toggling this button on or off. If you allow it, you will receive push notifications from the notification types of your choice below, which you can also individually toggle on or off. If you disable it, you'll have the options to mute it for a specific period or permanently. And that's how you enable or disable push notifications on your Wix mobile app. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.